Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to delete account on Instagram. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Account Center. Here, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now, tap on Deactivation or Delete. Select the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Tap on Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Now, tap Continue again to proceed. Enter your password to confirm. Now, select a reason for deactivation from the options and tap Continue. Now, tap Continue again to proceed. A menu will appear asking to temporarily deactivate your account. Tap Deactivate Account to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Instagram account. Thanks for watching.